How to add Snapchat account to Facebook. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to add Snapchat account on Facebook. So the steps are all the same to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. First of all, now go and open up your Snapchat app. After you open Snapchat, go to your profile. So after you open your profile like this, now tap on this share button. So in this share button, all you have to do, just go ahead and just see your Snapchat username. As you can see now, here is my username, Hakeem Aliyu YY. So just all you have to do now, make sure you just copy the username correctly. So you can tap on this section to copy the username. Now I copy my username of my Snapchat account. So now close your Snapchat, go to Facebook. After you open Facebook like this, all you have to do now, just now go ahead now and tap on this. As you can see now, tap on this, tap on your profile. So after you tap on your profile like this now, all you have to do now, you can just go ahead now and tap on this edit profile button. So in this section now, scroll all the way to down. After you scroll all the way to down, tap on scroll down. Here is it, I can now tap on this add links. So in this section, as you can see here, it says add social link. So platform. So tap on this Snapchat. So now type in your username. So my username, I will just long press and add username and just delete the rest. I will leave only the username. You can go ahead and add the username manually if you want. So now here is my username for my Snapchat. After you finish that, tap on this social. After you tap on the social, now here is my Snapchat. So all you have to do now, just tap on the save button. So now my Snapchat account added into my Facebook account. Now go back. Now refresh. So as you can see now here is my Snapchat. That's it guys on how to add Snapchat account to Facebook. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.